How to hard reset AI Plus Nova 2 5G.
Step 1. Press power button and volume up button together and turn off your device.
Step 2. Now press power button and volume up button together. When AI logo appears, leave power button. Keep holding the volume up button. Step 3. Now use volume down button and select wipe data option and press power button to confirm. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.